Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2016 Kia Sportage EX, stock number B9093A. Only 20,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. Color is called Black Cherry. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Seats 5, leather interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, helping to give it a 5-star front and side government crash rating. Lots of cargo space in the rear, with additional underfloor storage. And not only low miles, but very clean, as you can see. This EX has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges. Again, only 20,000 miles. Steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control, easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable, along with heated front seats. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's material inside. Under the hood, this Sportage has a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates: an average of 21 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 28 on the highway, and approximately 50% tire tread left. For more information on this Sportage, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.